Hello everybody and welcome to the video. In this video, we'll essentially learn and see how Apache Hudi can help organization to essentially perform deletes on data lake. Oftentimes during an audit or whenever a customer says that, hey, they don't want to store their information or they want to, they want their information to be deleted. During those scenarios, it is crucial that we essentially delete their data, and often these data lie in a petabyte scale data lake. And now in this video, we'll essentially learn and see how Apache Hudi can make this process much more easier and simpler. So we are going to see both hard and soft delete. All the exercise and the labs are given in the description section below. We're going to use basically we're going to use the same data set. And in this video, we are assuming you already have a Apache Hudi data lake, and the goal is to essentially show you how you can perform hard and soft delete. Let's see the hard delete part. So here, let's say you were audited and this particular employee, that is Dr. Jordan Moore, have asked you to remove their information, and essentially now in a petabyte scale data lake, you want to remove that particular one record. Hudi makes it very, very easy. So now I will show you how you can essentially remove it. Again, very, very straightforward. Here we are creating a Spark session, pretty straightforward. Then here we are defining the settings. I'm keeping the settings pretty minimalistic. I have a database called HudiDB. I have a table called Hudi table. Record key is an employee ID, which means this is something that uniquely identifies my record. I'm defining that, right? And then here in the method type, I'm using delete, which means I want to delete the records. I have my table as copy on write, but if you're using a more version, you can use merge on read as well over here. Here, pretty simple, just the settings part. And then here, what I'm going to do, the employee that I want to delete, I will essentially put that. So here, observe very carefully. It's pretty easy. Select everything from HudiDB, Hudi table, where employee ID is so. So this is the employee that I want to remove, again, as I said. So I'm going to do a show, which means I'm going to get the data in a Spark data frame. Hopefully this makes sense, right? Now, pretty straightforward. What I'm going to do is, if you observe here, I'm using glue context.write dynamic frame from option, right? And then I'm essentially passing my Spark data frame. I'm converting my Spark data frame back to a glue dynamic frame. I'm using a marketplace connector, and I passed all the settings that I defined earlier. Now, before that, what I do want to show you is quickly, before I execute the cell, I will copy this particular ID. I would go to the Athena, and what I want to do is I want to put this ID over here and run a query to show you that this record does exist on the data lake. Now, what I will do is I'll execute this cell. Then the anticipation here is the record should be deleted. Now we are, the cell is currently in the running state. Again, if you click on the script part, you will get all the PySpark code. Again, the execution is now complete. And now if I copy this query, if I go to a new tab, and if I execute the query, I anticipate nothing to be shown because that record is now deleted. So this is how easy it is to delete items from data lake using Apache Hudi. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, list your question in the comments. And I will see you in the upcoming next micro videos.
Thanks, Soumil, for the awesome Hudi Lab. To get started on Hudi, find us at hudi.apache.org and check out our quick start guide. If you have questions about how to use Hudi, join our Slack community channel under Community Syncs, and there's a hot link for the Slack channel. And don't forget to give us a GitHub star if you love and use the project at github.com/apache/Hudi. And check out the links down below on how you can become a Hudi community member.